Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. So this is 2-layer flower. So for this project I have used milk cotton 4-ply yarn. You can use any yarn you want. So you can use this flower in any decoration items such as hat or baby blanket or headbands or in any items. So I have attached these beads in the middle, and for this project I have used 4 mm crochet hook and we need scissor also. So hope you will like it. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more new videos. Let's get started. Start making a slip knot. Then make chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now slip stitch in this first chain to form a ring. Now work for the first layer. So first make 1 chain, then make single crochet in the center, make 2 chain, 1 and 2, then make 3 double crochet in the center, 1, 2, and 3. Make 1/2 double crochet in the center, this is the first petal. Now make the second one, make single crochet, then make 2 chain, 1 and 2, make 3 double crochet in the center, one, two, and 3. Make 1/2 double crochet in the center. This is the second petal. Then work for the third petal, make single crochet, make 2 chain, make 3 double crochet, one, two, and 3. Make 1/2 double crochet in the center, so this way make more 2 petals. So here I have done with 5 petals. Now slip stitch in this single crochet stitch. So this is the first layer completed. Now pull the yarn, insert this hook in this back side from flower. Now insert this loop in this hook and then take this loop in this back side. So here I have take this loop in this back side. So now work for round 2. This is second layer. So first make 3 chain, make single crochet in this back side of half double crochet stitch. Let me show you little bit closer. This is half double crochet stitch. So make single crochet in this back side of this half double crochet stitch. Then again make 3 chain, make the same thing in make single crochet in this half double crochet stitch in this back side of half double crochet, make 3 chain, make single crochet in this half double crochet stitch. So make 3 chain. So continue like this. Make 3 chain. So this is the last. Now slip stitch in this chain. So now work for the second layer. First make 1 chain, then make single crochet in this chain gap, make 2 chain, then make 5 double crochet in this chain gap, one, two, three, four, and 5. Make 1 half double crochet in same chain gap. This is the first petal. Now make the second one. Make single crochet in next chain gap. So make single crochet, make 2 chain, make 5 double crochet in this same chain gap, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. make half double crochet, make single crochet in next chain gap, make single crochet, then make 2 chain, make 5 double crochet in the same chain gap, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make half double crochet in same chain gap. So make these 2 petals in the same way. So here I have completed the second layer. Now in the last, make slip stitch in this very first single crochet, now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. So now insert this extra yarn in the back side to secure it. Now cut this extra yarn. So now in this middle part, this is a hole, so we can cover with these beads so it will look more beautiful. So we can use in 2 ways. First, we can use these beads with yarn or thread, or also we can use glue. So I will show the first process how to secure with glue. So here I am using B6000. This glue is very hard to stick with anything. So first I will glue this flower all around like this. Then we can put this in this middle like this. This is the easy process. It will stick so nicely. So now I will show you how to attach with yarn. So this is another flower. In this middle there is a hole, and this is beads and yarn. So I will show you now the second process, how to attach the beads with yarn. So first take this yarn, give a knot in this long tail yarn. So insert this yarn in this flower, in this hole. Take this needle in this corner, so now put the beads in this needle. So now insert this needle in this opposite. Make it 2 times. Insert this needle in these beads, then again insert. Now give a knot in this back side. Now cut this extra yarn. So this is the flower. Thanks for watching.